So guys, nandito na kami sa school ngayon and magpapasa na kami ng business plan. And di kami makapasok kasi nakausap pa yung pagpapasahan namin. So guys, ito yung faculty room ng CBFS. Here's the faculty and faculty reveal. Ayan siya guys, magpapasa siya ng business plan. Ganda. Hindi na siya makapagin guys. Oh, bye. These days, nanonood na ako ng mga vlogs sila, sila Nika D, KKD. What? Oh, really? That's his dream, guys, to live alone.
Yes, to live a quiet life.
Yeah. What's your, memorable moment dito sa faculty?
When we were scolded by a prof
Yeah.
because we passed by in another student. Guys, how about you?
Memorable moment here. I don't have. Maybe yung lang, paikot-ikot kami dito lagi para lang maghanap ng prof. Tapos wala pala sila dito. Recently, nag-pre-oral defense kami sa research subject namin. It was good. We had sadaan yung namin, department head. So hot, guys. We will go somewhere to eat because pa kami kumakain. I'm vlogging!
So parang yung RBG, yung RBG.
Sino makita ng po? So our class just finished. Where are we going? We're going to Tanay. Yeah. So ayun yung tawag namin sa lugar na yun because mukha siyang Tanay. So we will pakita sa inyo. Amazing. Para kang may pupuntahang, Here is the route to Tanay. So it's currently lunchtime and so here is our area. We come here to relax. So we're just waiting for our order.
What did you order?
Our order is tapsi. Tapsilog. With malasadong itlog. Ito yung school namin. Yan. And here's the kapitbahay na school, which is Fort Bonifacio. I haven't eaten earlier because ang aga ng class namin. 9 lang itong ina. Hoy, maaga na yun sa akin. Hello, Mingming! Hi! Say hi to the vlog. Oh, why? So, nag-stay na siya dito. What are your thoughts? How are you today? I'm interviewing you. So, our plan for today, I will be sleeping over at Bonnie's condo. We will go there and we will swim and are we drinking? And we will drink later because we deserve it. Many stressful moments is happening in our life right now. We deserve to drink. So stay tuned. Just keep on watching my vlog for today's adventure. Yeah. Chotty! Look at Chico, guys. So chotty! So, nangyari lang sa class namin kanina is
Tumawa lang kami.
yeah. Nag-live lang kami. Bagsak kami sa midterms and kailangan namin humabol ng recitation.
And so far, hindi namin siya nahabol.
We're gonna eat na, guys. Eat, eat, eat. Tapa. Look. So yummy.
Ice cream yan.
Done eating. So guys, we're on our way sa Guada to ride the MRT. So we're here at MRT. Fit check. So, hi guys! We're here na sa Trinoma. Mag-withdraw muna siya. Go withdraw. Our money! Our plan is maghanap ng Jamba Juice kasi nag-crave siya. We're finding Jamba Juice dito sa Trinoma. Sana mahanap niya, tas malibre ako. Goodbye! Goodbye! So we're here na sa 4th floor and look what did we find. Found! What did na nga eh. Ako! Never na magkakamali.
What we find.
I'm working on my grammar pa rin guys because, you know, people change. Got the goods. So we got our Jamba Juice. What's yours?
Mine is mango agogo.
And mine is strawberry wild. Yeah, that's mine. I will rate it 9 out of 10.
Me, 10 out of 10.
And I? Okay lang. Mine is maasim.
Our adventure.
Yes, we will go sa SM North na guys.
We'll see you there.
Yeah. See you there, guys. Say hi. Wow! Galing na kami sa SM North, guys. And we're on our we're on our way.
Yes.
Yes. Super hot outside. And I advise you guys to bring umbrella always because you don't know the weather. It's very paiba-iba. So yeah. We're here. For now, I was favorite part ko pa. Ano ba yun? So guys, we're here na sa condo. Like, kailan pa ba tayo? She's dead. Kakarating lang namin like 30 minutes ago. Ever. We're just here listening to Daniel. Hi guys! So, that matutulog ako kaso di ako nakatulog. Siya lang.
Boss? Ang daldal niya.
So guys, this is the situation right now. She will cook our dinner! Yeah. Hi guys, so we're drinking right now. No one ever said that there's an easy way. Guys, update. Nandito pa rin ako sa QC. And it's Wednesday. And hindi pa siya naliligo.
Because may session ka ni mama.
And we will go down to get our food. Guys, we got the food. I'm hungry.
We're at the
Health and Physical Science Building. It's Thursday na ngayon.
Yes.
And our class just ended.
Yeah.
Finished.
And it's so early today.
Yeah.
We're so glad. No recitation today.
Yes, because he's an angel. He loves us so much.
This will be our last reporting, no recitation. And next week is we're gonna have exams na lang.
Yeah. Please pray for us. We're here. Ano bang tawag dito? Sa mga booths. Sa mini ugbo ng Yuma. Checking some anik-aniks. And may karaoke doon. Gusto namin kumanta kaso parang bawal. This is, I don't know. So, ano yun po, yung mga organizations ng cut dito sa UMAC. So, sila nag-aalaga sa kanila, like if they have, may sakit or what, there's the ones who alaga them. So, if you want to donate sa Cats of UMAC, ayan yung mga social medias nila. If you want to reach out, malaking bagay na yun, guys.
Buds, kuya.
So we're here. Nasa field plans. Baby, hindi na kami tuloy sa Venice. Ano ba to?
Yaway tayo.
So hindi na kami tuloy sa Venice because it's traffic. So pupunta na lang kaming uptown.
Mag-up down na lang kami.
Ayoko na sila kasama. Huwag kayo lumapit sa akin.
Anti ko na pasok. Kuya, punta kami uptown.
Our route, every time na pupunta kami uptown, kasi may shortcut lang sa likod ng school namin. So yeah, it's very
Convenient.
Yeah, it's very fast. So, yeah. Ang tambayan talaga naming mall is uptown. Kapit-bahay lang namin ang BGC. We're here sa 24 Chicken. We will buy our dinner. This Guys, sila mo may nakakahiya siyang umupo ka para kang tanga. So we're done ordering chicken.
Yum with garlic and 24 cheddar. Ay, snow cheese.
Snow cheese.
4 Tiffany.
Yeah, 2 piece
And
lang.
Tiffany.
And we're Tiffany. So ang waiting time namin is 30 to 40 minutes.
For Tiff and Annie.
So ito yung uptown, guys. Cargo, uptown, condo. Ano yan? Mga tower-tower kinemerot ng mga workers here. 8:56. Pauwi pa lang kami. I'm vlogging na.
Hi guys. We're going home.
Yeah, we just finished eating dinner. And chumismis lang kami doon. MRT moment. We're here again. Don't pakita that that's bad. So hot. We're here na sa SM North again. Woo! How much I do love you, how much. So nandito na ulit kami sa home sweet home. She's cooking because bigla kami nagutom. Say hi. Ay mo may ganun yun? It's already Friday, guys. We're getting ready. Hi guys, sorry, hindi na ako nakapag-ano. So we're done. Getting ready! Ano yun? So cute! Ano, ang ganda mo! Once na kami, we'll go to Uptown because doon kami magkikita ng mga friends namin. Fit check. Say hi. Hi. Going to walk lang. Papuntang MRT. That's our face for today. Sana ganyan lang siya always. Because no to hulas. Sagwada na kami guys and dumaan muna kami sa favorite fruit shake namin here. Lagi namin pinupuntahan. Guys, nandito na naman kami sa Uptown. Wow! Ang daming dala. Ganyan lang siya pero inaantok na talaga yan. We're here sa Cargo Fish. Ano? We will buy coffee. Hi. Waiting time. We're waiting for someone and their traffic sila on the way here. Hi guys! We're here again. Hinihintay lang namin yung sundo namin.
And that's okay.
Yeah! The experience sa Escalera. Very nice. Natatapos lang namin mag-coffee. Andun yung dalawang. Ayun yung dalawang mokong. There. And we're here sa overlooking. Present po. It's Saturday now, guys. And we just finished eating with this. Very sulit. Come here, guys. Sa Hungry Potter near Yumak. 10 out of 10. Dalawa yung kanin with sabaw. And mabubusog ka na. You can make your own condiments. Fit check.
From?
Top from Bukay. Skirt from Thursday.
Malis na siya.
We just finished our first subject and we have 2 subjects pa until 6 p.m. So, update lang sa kahapon. So, we went to Escalera. 1 na kami nakauwi. Then, nakarating kami sa QC ng saktong 1. Nahatid na namin siya and then hinatid nila ako pa uwi. Thank you, Ives and Miguel. Shout out. Huge shout out sa inyo. Let's see what will happen this day. Pero, I want to go home na and clean up.
Bye-bye.
So, it's Sunday and katatapos lang namin magsimba. And iba naman yung kasama ko, guys. Say hi. Yeah. She's Abby. Where are we? Ang pangalan nito?
Takusa.
Takusa. So, kakain lang kami ng dinner. You get.
So I got tonkatsu.
Sure up niya, guys. And I got chicken teriyaki. We just finished eating.